Today we're in Brentwood and we're going to go check out one of the finest establishments that I've ever seen. This is a residence that has been built by MG Partners. Let's come check it out.
Today I'm here with Bruce Hodgson from MG Partners. We're at an amazing dream home in Brentwood, California. And today we're going to show you a few things with some stone panels that have been imported from Germany. They're hanging on our HeavyDutyTrack systems. But first, Bruce, tell us a little bit about MG Partners and what sets you guys apart from the rest of the pack.
Okay, MG Partners was founded by Matt Road in 2006. Matt has worked in high-end residential construction in the LA Santa Barbara area for over 25 years. So we built some pretty fantastic houses.
Yeah, it's not just high-end residential, it really is the creme de la creme. For example, if we have a look at these openings here, what you'll see is the attention to detail that these guys have incorporated. Now, these channels in the stone run the entire way around this property, from the inside to the exterior as well. So these doors, where do these come from, Bruce?
The doors were manufactured by a company called Egermont in Germany. The stone is a gray stone called Muselkalk, and our doors were made for us by honing down the stone to a 1/4 inch stone. Then they're set on an aluminum honeycomb. That is then adhered to a steel metal frame to party back the board. We've set up for the hardware, and then of course hanging with the cavity slider heavy duty hardware up top there. This door is about 1,400 pounds and it rolls on 2 rollers, and it's pretty easy to operate. Probably our heaviest door that we have in the house. We do have some tall wood doors. This one is 10'10" tall by almost about 4 feet wide. And we also have some wood doors that are running about 10'10" to 11'10". They're about, I'd say about 1,000 pounds on those doors too.
That really is incredible, that doorway. It's not often you see things made of stone, but MG Partners are the guys and the girls that get the word wonderful and really spectacular. That is quite incredible.
It took quite a bit of work to make sure that our grout lines carry through inside, outside, and of course to get the doors right. It did a lot of math, and we went through it about 5 times before we put them into production just to make sure that they're right. And they came out right, so we're real proud of that, real happy with that.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll see more of these. Cheers.